Hey everybody, here's an update on my camera tripod Dolly. So this is part 2, and let's back up a little bit. I went to the hardware store to get me some kind of a platform for this build, a base, but I quickly remembered that they had these square tubing instead inside of this hardware store. So I went and bought me a bunch of those and cut them to size, and then I had to come up with an idea how I would attach these square pipes together. So I printed this joint here with a cup, a little bowl where I can place my tripod feet down here, and then I attach these wheels directly to this frame. However, my gut feeling was that these wheels with this shape here, this rounded shape, would make the contact with the floor very minimal, because it would be riding the floor on a very small surface area. And my gut feeling was telling me that would exaggerate all the imperfections in the floor, and bumps and scratches and all kinds of things that would, travel into the frame and up into the tripod. And that is what happened when I put these wheels on. You could feel the whole tripod like swaying and going back and forth. So I thought to myself, why not make my own wheels? Since I got a new 3D printer that is quite more advanced than my previous one. I will make another video about that later. So I did this. I created these rims, and my first idea was to dress these wheels with something soft. So I got me some very thick foam here that I glued onto these wheels, but I got carried away a little bit too much, because that foam was too thick, so it really compressed too much, so that this whole frame couldn't even move. So I removed that foam material, and I had to think of another way to dress these wheels with something soft. Since I got a new 3D printer, I realized that I could just print TPU material now. So I did this one. This is the first print of a TPU material filament. And you can see that this is very squishy. Look at that. Squishy squish. And also I did an infill that is called gyroid infill, which leaves a lot of those little gaps in here. So this is where we're at right now, and the first print turned out very good, as you can see. But here's my second print with TPU, and that is horrible. I'm guessing that my TPU filament attracted or absorbed too much moisture, and that's why it came out like this, with separating lines all over the place. Not lines, layers. So that is the little bit of a update here with my camera tripod Dolly. And my apartment is really in chaos right now, because I'm preparing for my next shooting day for my upcoming short film. So I have something a little bit going on here, and I will not spoil anything. We'll see later what that will be. So anyway, this was a quick update, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!